Hello friends, welcome to you amazing review channel. How would you like to start doubling, tripling or even 10x your income starting this month? If you are user padding low tickets offer below $50, I like to know if you want to set up your game and start selling high ticket. I am talking about $500, $1,000 and 2,000 sales and above. Let me ask you a question. If you are going to make 10,000 per month, which one of the following scenarios is easier? Scenario A, selling 1,000 copies of $10 products, or scenario B, find 5 clients and charge them $2,000 each. In both instances, you make the same amount of income, but notice that scenario A require you more effort to find more customer. I can tell you it's lot easier finding a few customer paying big sums than getting a horde of buyers paying lower prices. More often than not, the support it is a headache, and at low prices you attract customers that demand more. Little, not that there anything wrong with selling low ticket offers, but that about it you if you are going to hit $10,000 this month, all you need is just to find 2 clients to pay $5,000, and with just 2 clients your headaches are lot less. What you will learn: change your core belief system and turn self-sabotaging limiting belief into something empowering. How to close sales effectively with this amazing 6-step sales process. How to win heart and minds of you potential potential clients. The APSC model. How to overcome some of the most common objection hard ever. How to market to people with money they gladly pay or beg, borrow and still to join you. How to position yourself as the authority, expert in your field, and much more to be discovered in this training. Ultimately, here's your roadmap to getting high paying customer, and they be happy to do just this. This is for you if you have on product launches but tried of making average sale revenue. You are poor at closing sales due to their lacks of skills qualifying leads. You on a program and would like to gain clients online. You are suspense marketer with the intention of the tenfold increase in profits, or a new buy with zero experience in the internet marketing. At long last, you will discover the insider secrets to closing big ticket sales with instantly high profit like never before. Here's good news. Getting this program won't cost you an arm and a leg. You don't need a experienced market. In fact, if you feel you are new by right now, perfect. This training course is designed extremely for you. That said, you interested in secrets of high ticket clients program is not $197, not $97, just $14.95. That's it. So what you are voting for? That's it. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested in this program, then the link in the description. Thank you for